How to log in or sign in into Snapchat account on your iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can log in or sign in into your Snapchat account on your iPhone or an iOS device. So in order to log in into your Snapchat account, first thing you need to make sure that you've already installed this application. In case you haven't installed or updated your application, then all you need to do is head over to your app store and then on the search box type in Snapchat, and as soon as you type in Snapchat, you have an option as get. So in case you haven't installed the application, then you need to click on the option get, and you have to wait for some time while it is installing. Once the installing process is completed, then you need to open up the application. And as soon as you open up your Snapchat application, this is how it's gonna look like, or you'll be taken to the login or sign up interface. In case if you don't have a Snapchat account, then click on the sign up button and then you'll be taken to the enrollment page. And likewise, if you already have an account, then click on the login button and then you'll be taken to the login interface. And then you'll be taken to the page where you'll need to enter in your username or an email address associated with your Snapchat account and a password. And click on the login button, which will be right at the bottom. If the information provided is valid, then you'll successfully log into your account. And for some reason, if you're unable to log in into your account, then click on the option that is forgot your password, and then you'll be guided on how you can recover your account or log in into your account. In this way, you can log in or sign in into your Snapchat account on your iOS device or an iPhone. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.